Hey guys, this Tools here, back with another drawer from the Toolbox, the Toolbox Tour. We've done the top box and the first four drawers. If you haven't seen those, link to the playlist will be in the description. I might even do a pinned comment. We'll see. So this is the fifth drawer. This is another metric wrench drawer, and these are the Gearwrench rebranded Maximum for Canadian Tire long double box ratcheting flex heads. These are amazing. That's all I can say. For spots that you can't fit your impact, and you need or you just need a wrench, and you want ratchet functionality, you want long length for your torque, these are great. Now, the only thing with this set is when I purchased it, I got two 10mm, no 11, which I know you do have 11mm fasteners. Not on anything I've worked on, but that is one thing, but this should have an 11, so you would get a 10, 11, but we have two 10s, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the 19. I know the 19, 18, and 17 have seen a beating. They do, if you reef on these, if you put weight on them, torque, the ratchet end will bind up, but give it a whack on the ground, on a tire, the hammer, whatever, it will unbind, or even put it on the bolts and just wiggle it back and forth like this. No broken teeth, no exploding mechanisms, nothing terrible. So I do recommend these, especially considering even if you want other Taiwanese ones that you can get at the tool truck from, what are they, the mountain wrenches and Easy Red and whatnot, you'll pay 2 to 3 times the price of these. If you can get these on sale, this is a score beyond scores. And going over here, we have another set of Gearwrench. These are the metric flex head wrenches. This set has a 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 19. No complaints with this set. What is it? They do get floppy, no doubt about that. And on these smaller ones, these really small torque screws, like, I put a good bit in there, but it's still just stripped it out. So you do get a floppy end. You can always put some masking, electrical tape around here if you need to get it tight. Otherwise, these are good wrenches. The fit is correct on them, and yeah, just like any of the other Gearwrench of this series, these are the 72 tooth. That's all I have in my box from Gearwrench. They will bind, but they do not break as of yet. Which was it? Is it the 14? Doing some breaks. This one's not floppy yet, surprisingly. It's greasy though. This, I was putting a lot of torque. The ears here did start to spread, it looked like, but they came right back. So it's not an overly hardened material, which is good. Unlike the SKX frames, which I've seen testing on the open end, and they won't bend, or the jaws won't open up, they'll just shatter. I'd rather have something bend and need to be warranted than shatter and go in my eye or someone else's eye, or in a tire or whatnot. But yeah, this is my big Gearwrench drawer. So if you liked what you saw, leave a like, comment your thoughts, opinions, whatnot. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Take it easy.